Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube lagging and dropped frames on Google Chrome. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So if you are browsing YouTube from your Google Chrome browser, and whenever you're watching, let's say a 60 FPS video that has been rendered specially in 60 FPS or 4K, and it's been lagging for a couple of times. Now what are some of the ways you can actually fix it? Now, if I just go to the right-hand side, I click on it, I select Stats for Nerds, you will be able to see the amount of frames dropped right over here, FPS and any type of things like that. So we've already dropped some frames per second. Now what we want to do is to fix this. We want to go to our Google Chrome settings by clicking the three dots icon from the top right and going to the option called Settings. From Settings on the left-hand side, we want to go to the option called System. And when we go to System, you can see this option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. All we have to do is just turn this thing off. And then just relaunch the Google Chrome browser. And now you should be able to browse to 60 FPS very smoothly. So that's basically how you can fix YouTube lagging and dropped frames on Google Chrome. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.